Last day, we finished the kitchen today. Lovely coffee in the morning. Yum yum, absolutely amazing. I love yum yums. To be honest with you, they taste like Polish donuts. Yum yum tastes more like Polish donut than English donut. I love them. I love them. Absolutely amazing. Have a lovely day. Let's do it and be it. My God, this is last day. We finished the kitchen today. It's Wednesday morning. It's 7 o'clock. I think it's 2 hours left. 2 hours we're gonna finish the kitchen. Just look at this and listen. That's absolutely amazing. Beautiful place, lovely customers. Look at that little shed. It's great, but it's a woodpecker somewhere there. Woodpecker. Oh my God, look at this. Amazing, lovely house. Paul! Ooh, you try to talk to woodpecker. Oh my God, it's amazing. Beautiful place actually. So we're still doing the kitchen, and that's a house upstairs. It's lovely, lovely house. We did them wardrobes. That was our job. So we did the wardrobes. That's all done. Okay, and we did also that wardrobe as well. That was our job as well. Yep, and I'm going to show you something funny. I think I'll show you in one of the videos already, but look at that. So basically, hop. So handles looks equal and everything. Oh. That's what we did. So handles looks lovely. Yeah. So that's a wardrobe. And that's a view outside. Okay, see you later. I'm going to show you the kitchen when we finish. When done and dusted, next job. Utility room, Miele dryer, good quality appliances, last forever. Miele washing machine, few units there, lovely ceramic sink, whoa, lovely tap. Okay, so to be honest with you, guys, fitting stone next week. So that's utility, and lots of tall units. That's a boiler unit, and just a cupboard to cover all pipes and everything, and your electric meters, fuse box, stop tap, little array for few codes. Okie dokie. So utility room. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so kitchen is ready for stone nuts. Looks lovely jovely. Lovely ceramic sink. It's a light pink color. Let's look at this. Miele hob. That's a extractor unit. Beautiful weather outside. It's a Wednesday. What time is now? 9 o'clock. We started Monday. It's Wednesday, 9 o'clock in the morning. We finished. Ready for stone nuts. It's beautiful. 3 drawers units. Lots of drawers here. Ooh. 2 screws left. Look at this section. Oven Miele. That's a fridge. Freezer. Beautiful. Okay. That's done. And that's a tall unit. Stone will go there. That's there. Okay, so we've done that pink kitchen, and now we're going where we are now, Paul. Bournemouth, exactly. We basically did the kitchen a long time ago, and lady just wanted some extra bits. So I'm gonna check what she actually wants. Look at the houses, everything here is lovely here. Nice, lovely area. Can you show there? Can you show the street? It's more like an American street. I used to live in America actually. Look, show them on the left. Beautiful houses, lovely houses. Okay, Paul, can you say something actually to your all subscribers? Can you say something? Happy Kitchens, come on, give them life advice, but good one. Come on, good, make them positive. Come on,
you have to subscribe to our Happy Kitchens. With more subscribers the better, because you know everybody's happy when you've got more subscribers.
Oh, show the pine tree.
Oh, look at the pine tree.
And finish the video. Okay, that's a kitchen we did a long time ago. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Into the garden. Good boy. Straight into the garden. In. Good boy. Because you're going to laugh at it. Good boy. Good boy.
Right. The utility room. Bye bye. If you don't like spending time with your wife, you just hide in here. Okay. Yeah. It's gorgeous actually. We have to just check some little bits. And lady wants some extra bits here. Okie dokie.